Hello friends, this is my second video on the channel and I wanted to share my experience in the field of binary options. I have over 4 years of experience in this field. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and if you don't like it, subscribe as well. So as not to waste your time, let's make some money. Here, the market was strongly declining, and the sellers were dominating. Buyers started entering the market forcefully, which was confirmed by the large candlesticks. Here, I will enter a buy trade, and I am confident it will be profitable. Perfect, nice profit. Let's look at another opportunity. Here, I am confident that the market will continue to decline because, if you notice, the main market trend is downward, and the buyer's entry is very weak. So, I will enter a sell trade. Perfect, nice profit. Let's look at another opportunity. We have finished for today and made some money. Wait for me in the next video. Have a great day.